Hello, we're here today to look at the 6.4 by 14 Dovetail utility trailer with side baskets. We'll look at the front of the trailer here. We've got our tongue jack, breakaway pin, battery box for electronic brakes, safety chains, as well as the coupler latch. Corner of these trailers do come with the tie down points on the corners, so you'll have the rings on the corners. This will be our side basket. Now the inside of that basket, you can still see there's a tie down point in the corners. We can see our safety tape on the side of the trailers. Now, we do have black diamond plate fenders on here. These axles are two 3,500 pound Lippert axles that come with a 6-year limited warranty on there. We'll follow back, look at the very back here. We got a license plate bracket light. Of course, you got the screw holes there for the screws to go on. Our tie down points on the back of the deck. We've got spring loaded mechanisms for the rear gate. The lights, of course, are LED. We have our 5 supports on the rear. The mesh on there is expanded metal. Take a look at the deck here. If you have any more questions on this 6.4 by 14 Dovetail with side baskets on this utility trailer, you can give us a call at 615-641-7720 at SLE Equipment, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.